Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I'll show you what is White Hat SEO, then also Black Hat SEO, and also the Gray Hat SEO. Each and everything one by one I'll show you in this video. Okay. So first of all, I want to show you one of website that is helping businesses to do their website SEO, manual or AI based everything. Okay. So let me go back to the website. You can see here is the website called Boostify. Can you see that? Here is the Boostify in the left side you can see, and I already integrated my site here, and here is the analytics option. When you will integrate your website with this tool, then they will show your website analytics like full data, how much impression you are getting, how much click you are getting, how much video views, or everything about the website related. Okay, and which pages are ranking you can see one by one, you can watch from here. Okay, and if you scroll down here, you can see here are the recent blog posts that is working well, and also the recent blog post that is created by this tool. You know what, you don't need to do anything if you integrate your site with this tool, and everything will be done by this tool. You can see here is the AI recommendation option, and also the optimizes pages option, everything they are showing. And also if you have any question, then you can ask their YouTube channel, like YouTube channel owner, or you can get a tutorial from their YouTube channel, everything. So this is the basic thing. And if you go to the another option, you can see the optimize pages option. You can see here are the optimized pages that is working for your website, and how much click, and also which keyword, and also the action you need to fix, everything they will show one by one for your website, and they will improve your site position, improve your website ranking, everything by their own. Okay, just go back to this tool. So how to find this tool? You can find this tool from Google. If you search with the name of Boostify, then you can see here is the first site, and after entering this site, you can enter your email and get started for €1, and everything will be finished. Okay, thank you very much. Now let me go back to the topic. So the topic is White Hat, Black Hat, and Gray Hat SEO. Let me give you the full idea about one by one. You can see I'm giving the column comparison table. The White Hat one. What is White Hat? Ethical SEO following Google guidelines. When you will do the White Hat SEO, then it will be in Google guidelines, and it is safe. In the risk level, it is safe. And in the Black Hat, manipulative tactics to the cheat YouTube algorithm or Google algorithm. This is high risk. And you can see Gray Hat, borderline tactics, not fully black or white. This is the medium risk. Okay, so this information you need to understand. What is White Hat and what is our work, and Black Hat and also Gray Hat. If you are doing to this like White Hat, then you can see here is the ethical SEO tactic. This is the basic thing that we are doing. And in the Black Hat, it is riskable because it is not suitable for the YouTube or Google algorithm, because we are cheating with the algorithm. Okay, so I hope you understand about this. Now let me go back to the topic again. You can see here is the strategy comparison table. Let me give you the one by one idea what is White Hat SEO, what is Gray Hat, and what is the Black Hat as well. So in the comparison table, you can see in the strategy comparison table, SEO type is White Hat, common technique used is in the White Hat, you need to do the keyword research, high quality content, and internal linking, backlink, and also the keyword trafficking. And in the Gray Hat, you can use the expired domain, private blog networks, or link exchanges, but it is risk. Okay, Black Hat, cloaking, keyword stuffing. One is keyword trafficking, one is keyword stuffing. Hidden text, buying backlinks. Buying backlinks means you can buy some backlinks from some of the sites. If you did this, then you can talk about this. This is a Black Hat SEO, and in the White Hat is always safe. Okay, now let me go back to the topic again. In the another option, you can see here is the real example table. In the real example option, you can see in the White Hat SEO type, real example is writing an in-depth blog like how to lose weight and ranking it organically. This is White Hat. Okay, now in the Gray Hat, you can see using AI content with manual edits to pass as original. Suppose you created one blog post from the Google or from some of the AI like ChatGPT, Sonic, and others, and after that you make this good, and also you are trying to index it in Google like as a humanized. So it can be gray hat. Black hat, buying 500 spammy backlinks for $5 to rank a page temporarily. This called black hat. You cannot buy or you cannot brought something from the third party site, from third party freelancer or anyone. You cannot use this kind of backlinks, this kind of SEO services or anything. If you use, then it can be done by a black hat. Okay, now let me go back to the topic again. You can see here is the Google's view and consequences. One by one, let me guide you. SEO type Google stands and what can happen. If you are using white hat, Google can approve it, and also it will be long term and traffic grows. In the gray hat, Google cannot recommend it to user and also can work short term but risky. Black hat, violate guidelines. It will violate Google guidelines, you can see, and you can get penalties, de-indexing, and also you can get the banned, like your site can be banned. You cannot use any kind of services from the Google to index your site. Okay, so I hope you understand about this. Now let me go back to the another option. You can see which one should you choose. So this is the time for decision, which one you should choose. So here is the SEO type, when to use, when you need to use the white hat, when you need to use the gray hat, and when you need to use the black hat. In the white hat option, you can use always, because best for long-term business growth. Okay, it is best for long-term business growth. And in the gray hat, you can only use if you understand the risk. And in the black hat, you don't need to use it. You can cross it. Never use it. Short win and long-term loss. You cannot use your site for the long term, and you cannot use your site for the services, and you can ban from the Google. Okay. Now let me show you the summary diagram. So the white hat is safe, gray hat is risky, but the black hat is dangerous. So I hope you understand about the gray hat, white hat, and about the black hat SEO. So you should always use the white hat SEO so you can get the result for long term. Okay, so I hope you understand about this. So if you have any question, just directly ask me, and also go back to the site of the Boostify. You can use this site for your website SEO, and you can use this site for your website ranking, everything on the Google. Okay, so thank you very much. If you have any question, just any question, knock me. Thank you.